Hello friends, today we are going to do replacement of lower control arm on Nissan Altima 2013 5th generation. So for what the reason should the lower control arm to be replaced? If while driving you feel the vehicle skid excessively to the right as the speed increases and to the left when the accelerator is released, that means your ball joint totally damaged. So you need to replace the entire lower control arm. I'm currently replacing the front passenger side and the driver side is the same. The two 21mm bolts need to be removed as well as the 18mm bolts on the ball joint side. Just lift the brake liner hose to remove the 21mm bolt which is facing the engine side. Remove the outer tire rodent which is held by an 18mm bolt. After holding the 21mm combination spanner in the nut, remove the bolt with cordless impact wrench. The first thing I will go for is the 21mm bolt in the corner facing the engine. Guys, this is a very careful job. Please do not without proper tools. Place both front tire on jack stand and rear tire with jack stand or tire choke. And for additional your security, support the jack also. So we remove the 21mm nut and similarly remove the 21mm nut on the back side. To remove the ball joint from the steering knuckle, an 18mm bolts need to be removed. To do this, hold the 18mm spanner on the side of the bolt and remove the nut with the cordless impact wrench. Use a lower control arm prying tool like this one to remove the ball joint from the steering knuckle. Very simple and very effective. After connecting to the pry bar to this tool, place it one piece of wood and for the support and force it down. It simply can remove the ball joint from the steering knuckle. After removing the ball joint from the steering knuckle, place the ball joint slightly above the steering knuckle. Take the long pry bar and pinch the engine facing part like this first, then pinch the back part and remove the lower control arm from the subframe. You can see removed lower control arm and new SH Taiwanese upmarket lower control arm. Here the removed lower control arm, both bush no problem, but ball joint part is totally damaged. That's why when we increase the speed of the car, due to the excessive movement, the car slides towards the right side, and when we reduce the speed, the car slides towards the left side. You can see here the damaged ball joint moves. When I move it with my hand, it should never move like that. Here you can see in the new ball joint, it should not move when moved by human hand. This free movement is what causes the car to slide to either side while driving. Clean the subframe area before installing the new control arm. I had to struggle a bit to fix the control arm, and fixing this control arm is a bit of heavy job, especially if you are one person. So I could not shoot sorry. However, here is the method I fixed. The 21mm nut on the back side should be fixed first. Then the engine face nut and finally the ball joint should be fixed 18mm nut. It is a bit difficult to connect the ball joint to the steering knuckle. Loosen the both shock strut 21mm nut to make it a bit more access. This lower control arm prying tool is very useful for removing the ball joint from the steering knuckle. I will provide the purchase link in the description. So last thing to say, if you don't have a proper jack stand and trolley jockey and other tools like that, please do not do this mechanical work because it's a bit heavy and require a bit too much security. If you don't have this, then get it done by the nearest professional garage support. I hope you will find this video useful. Thanks for watching.